माय चैनल, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे स्पेक्ट्रल फ्रेम। पार्ट ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल फ्रेम। Each frame has two main parts, front and side. Front consists of rim, bridge, joint, may be complete or incomplete. Spectral side nylon cupra, which incomplete rim lens or super supported nylon or steel wire. Rimless frame as well as side piece directly screw off the lenses. Bridge में होता है part from which from between two rim bridge may be three pieces type. Roller bridge insert bridge handle bridge. Bridge क्या होता है? Reset of nose with full surface of contact lens. Set bridge क्या होता है? Projected behind the frame plane that area contact lens behind the lens plane. Bridge क्या होता है? Combination of regular set bridge have got metal bridge but not lie in contact weight of frame beyond to plastic या rubber. क्या होता है? Projection of side which sides piece of attached. piece क्या होता है? Principal part of fixed spectral plastic frame. They are made plastic and reinforced with metal wire. In metal frame they are metal covering with plastic end cover. Measurement of side distance from the assumed spectral plane to point behind the lower ear lobe. Bend distance from the assumed spectral plane to ear point. Drop length drop is the distance from crown to ear to point approximately 2/3 down back of ear. Angle drop downward inclination of side from assumed lined side measure at ear point. Width horizontal distance between ear point. Metals frame metal. Quality of ideal spectral frame metal. Frame are made of various metal and non-metal. Ideal non-allergic, corrosions, non-flammable, inexpensive, durable, adjustable. Frame material could be natural material, nylon supra frame, metal frame, combination metal frame and rimless mount. Tortoise shell frame. Past natural material tortoise shell and horn have extensively used. English shell टॉर्टिक विच फाउंड इन वेस्ट इंडिया. फ्रेम क्या होता है? कॉटन या पेट्रोलियम स्ट्रक्चर्ड लेटर ऑन नेवर लेबोरेटरी वेयर यूज प्लास्टिक आर डिवाइडेड टू ग्रुप या थर्मो हार्डिंग प्लास्टिक या थर्मो सॉफ्टनिंग. ये टू फॉर्म है प्लास्टिक फ्रेम के.